ValetPRO's classic quick detailer. Brand new product for us. We spent quite a bit of time thinking and learning about producing this particular quick detailer. If you're dealing with water drip marks down the side of the car from wing mirrors or door handles, or you've even just got some greasy finger marks or whatever that you just want to quickly remove, this is an ideal product for handling some of those sort of situations. One of the highlights is the ease of use. You simply spray, wipe, and it leaves a great shine. Having a product that you could spray on the paint surface, wipe, and have a haze-free finish even on dark colour cars. So it was just so quick and easy to use, and we dealt with this in a number of ways. One was the type of solvent that we used within the product that allowed the evaporation process to work. But also the selection of silicone emulsions that we use within the formulation that had a combination of beading as well as this high slip coating that we're essentially putting on the paint surface. So the high slip has a number of benefits. It actually benefits in terms of the buffing up as well, but the real aim was to have a surface that things didn't want to attach to. So with high slip, you can prevent dust from sitting on top of the car. Whereas when you have a very hydrophobic finish, that they tend to be just a little bit more grabby because they're kind of, they're pushing the water up. Classic quick detailer, spray, wipe, and shine.